If you're wondering how you can enable and use live activities on the lock screen of your iPhone, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. First of all, we will have to enable live activities. Now, to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Then enter your lock screen passcode, and from here, just scroll down. And under the Allow Access When Locked section, just make sure you enable the toggle for live activities. Now, after you enable the toggle for live activities on the lock screen, then just go back to the main settings page, and from here, just tap on Apps. Now, in the app list, just look for the app which you want to see as a live activity on the lock screen. For an example, I will select Uber. Now, if you select this app, over here you will find the option of live activities. Just tap on live activities and enable the toggle for live activities from here, and also enable more frequent updates. Now, after you do that, you will be able to see the live activities of the selected app on the lock screen. Now, if you have ordered an Uber, you will be able to see the update of the driver on the lock screen. For an example, you can see how far is your driver from your place, and also how much time is remaining for the driver to arrive. And also, if you're following a sports match, you will be able to see the scoreboard on the lock screen. And also, if you have ordered anything, you will be able to see the details of the order and when it will arrive on the lock screen, just like that. And this is how you can enable and use live activities on the lock screen on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.